You want to learn how to schedule posts on Instagram so you can finally save yourself a ton of time. So instead of you sitting in constant content creation mode, you instead can focus on nurturing your audience and communicating with your audience and actually selling to that audience. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule your posts for the entire week or even the whole month. Also, if you love these kinds of tutorials, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell sign down below this video to get notified when the new video gets published. So let's dive right in. Alright, so we are right now inside of my Planoly account where I'm going to show you how to schedule your Instagram posts. So Planoly is basically the scheduler that you can use to pre-schedule all of your posts for Instagram. So you can schedule your stories, you can schedule your in-feed posts, and also, since I'm using the paid version of Planoly, I also get to see the best times for my audience to post. Okay, so let's say for today, I have the time 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., and so on and so forth, right? So, and also they do different webinars and trainings and extra stuff. And also, if you are a Pinterest user, you can also use Planoly for that. So, and another feature that you also get inside of a paid plan is you can also upload the videos. Okay, so I already have one scheduled right here, so you can see it's already says scheduled. So free information versus paid information. So that's the video, and in the free plan you can't really upload videos. So that's one thing. Okay, so I have the whole caption preloaded, and here's the cool part about Planoly is you can add the location to the post, so it gets added automatically. You also can add a comment, and you can do any kind of edits that you want to this particular post, right? So the first comment is basically going to get pre-posted for when you, this is basically going to be your hashtag collection, right? So you don't have to schedule a post and then worry about the fact that, oh, I need to go into my Instagram immediately and post the hashtag group. You don't have to do that. You just post everything here and it's going to get scheduled along with your post. So right here, you can either schedule the post for any given time, or what I did right here is I just click on quick schedule and I just chose the time that works best for me, right? So that works best for my account suggested by Planoly. Okay, so that's pretty much all. All you have to do is just click save, and if you want to unschedule the post, then you can click unschedule, and you can schedule as many as you want, and you can also see the post that you posted before. So that's all you have within Planoly, and you can also add anything that you want into the grid. With the free account, you can upload up to 30 posts per month, and if you are on a paid account, then you can upload unlimited amount of content inside of your account. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to schedule Instagram posts. So I'm going to attach the link down below for the Planoly, so be sure to check that out. And also, if you enjoy using Instagram for your business, then check out these two videos right here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.